nail divas, it's me, Princess D, and I'm here today because I was just messing around and I was playing around with this new purple that I got, you guys. Look how Divalicous this is, baby. And look how you can see through it so clearly through the bottom of it. Look at that. Like, you can see everything through it. So, anyways, I was thinking, because it's not in the new collection, neither of these two colors are 857 or 726. They're just extra colors that I got because I thought I liked them. This black one was supposed to be something different. I do have another color coming in its place. I wanted it to be a black hollow. It wasn't the way I wanted it to be, but we are here with it, and apparently a few of you are loving it. So I figured I'll give you guys a chance to get it, and I will put Winterlicous, which are these colors here. Here's the green and the white, the gold, the silver, the red, and the blue. The blue has hollow glitters in it, and blue glitters, and silver glitters. The red has red glitters. It's like, it's just beautiful. I just love it so much. I have it on these nails. These two are the red, and so is some of the thumb. You can hardly see. You can see some of it here on the side. But, and then this is the blue. And then the tip is She Modern Black Hollow. But, I'm going to put the Winterlicous on sale again for $60. But, you're going to get your choice of either the purple 726 or the black with the glitters, and the number is 857. The glitters are red, blue, and green, and that color is, these are the two swatches that I did initially, and this is 2 generous coats of that purple, and the purple has a red and blue glitter in it, like a real tiny, it's like shimmer, really, I guess you would call it. It's so stinking beautiful. I don't know if any of you out there are Orly lovers, but it reminds me of a color. It's an Orly satin that looks just like this, except this is more transparent. So this is 2 generous coats over a clear swatch stick, as you can see. This is one very thin layer of it over a clear swatch stick, and look how transparent that is, you guys. That is so beautiful. And when the light hits it, you can see that purple, or I mean that red and that red and that blue shimmer in there. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And then it looks even beautiful with the matte. I did the top with the P&D shiny and the bottom with the P&D matte. I think it's absolutely beautiful. But I'm going to show you it again over a clear stiletto. I'm going to show it to you over a black stiletto, and then I'm going to show it to you over a white stiletto. And then I'm going to do the same with this black glitter. So we are going to play a little bit today. A little bit of swatching, baby. That's my paddle beat. I can't be still in different beats now. Come on now. Gonna get you the paddle, baby. Okay, here we go. We are going to start a swatching. Oh, but you're going to get one of those 2 colors for free with the collection that you will get for $60, which normally would cost you $84. You also will get all 3 of the foundations, which is the matte, the base, and the shiny. Both of my top coats are no wipe. There's no sense in playing around with that extra step. I hate that. So I ain't playing it because we're too Divalicous for it, right? So here we go with the swatching. So I'll speed up the swatching for you right about now. Can I please just pop in here and say, wow, this looks amazing. There you have it, folks. 3 different looks with 1 color. Look at that. Well, actually 6 different looks. With the shiny and the amazing matte, they looked good either way. Oh my God, do they look amazing. I hope you guys can see what I see, because what I see is absolutely stunning. See if I can get this perfect. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with the black. Here we go. There you are, folks. 12 different looks with just 2 colors. And look how beautiful they are. Oh my goodness, I freaking love them. I love them. And you get to take home one of those for free if you get the Winterlicous Collection. And you will also get the Winterlicous Collection at $60. You will get the 6 Winterlicous colors, which are, you will get these 6 colors right here, okay? You will get those 6 colors, and you will also get one of these 2 colors, and you will also get the Princess Nails by Diana No Wipe Shiny Top Coat, the base coat, as well as the matte top coat. If you haven't already, hit the big beautiful red subscribe. Don't forget to thumb this video up if you like these colors, which I'm sure you will if you're as Divalicious as me, baby. There's so many things you could do with this. I'm thinking doing a design and then putting this or this over top of a like stocking design. You know what I mean? Underneath here, because it's like a jelly, baby. Don't play with me. Yes, boo. Maybe we'll do another video of that. How about that? If you would like to see me do that kind of a video, let me know down below and we will definitely pump one out for you. So yeah. Leave me a little chitty chitty bang bang down below. Let me know you were here and say it with me, y'all. Stay Divalicious. I'll see you when I see you.